So this unfortunate situation with the disruption in the Jamaica Premier League due to the referees withdrawing their services due to persistent non-payment of fees. We understand that in the region of $6 million are owed to the referees over several months. As things are unfolding, the blame lays squarely at the feet of the PFJL, as apparently all that glitters is not gold, as it's now clear that the PFJL seem to be struggling to pay the most basic of bills. We understand that other stakeholders are facing similar challenges with the PFJL. Now, at this delicate point in the process of building the brand of the Jamaica Premier League, certainly when things fester and then get to a level where something as basic as the referees not getting paid, then that needs fixing. And not just need fixing, but that need fixing urgently. You understand me? Urgently.